Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to show you about how you create your first gig on Fiverr to get a first order on Fiverr. So let's start. I create gig for .NET MVC developer. Here is a web programming gig related to .NET or .NET MVC. So let's start. Go on your seller profile on my business section. After that, create on gig section. Now create a new gig. Now first of all, tell about what is your gig about, what type of features you give on your gig. So my gig is related to .NET MVC. Now I paste it here. I will develop PSP.NET, .NET Core or MVC web application. Now go to category section and select the category. I selected app programming, get app, and after that click on web programming. Service type, web application. After that select the language you provide services for. So I provide services for ASP.NET. Now here just include some tags which are used for SEO and you get offers from customers. Now I press .NET, .NET, MVC, .NET 6 and .NET Core. .NET Core. After that 5 tags, maximum 5 tags we can use. Now 4 tags MVC 5. Click on development. After that click on save changes. Now our first page is ready. Now go to pricing section and describe your package name. It is my basic package. Basic ASP.NET application that includes login and sign up functionality. Okay, basic standard package. We give it name as standard, then premium package we can also give name as premium. Okay. After that describe the details of offer. The types of offer in basic package ASP.NET application with login and sign up function. Okay. After that click on it and describe it is basic package. It's a standard package and it is a premium package. After that now click on delivery time. How much time you deliver your project. Unlimited revisions 3 days, 5 days and 10 days. Now I include 3 days for basic package, 5 days for standard package and 7 days for premium package. Now which features we include. Now I start from $10 is my basic package. $70 is my standard package, and 120 is my premium package. And include variants, unlimited variants, unlimited variants, and unlimited variants. After that, that is enough. Now save and continue. Sorry, 4 days and 7 days. Revisions are 2 pages, 5 pages, and 7 pages, 7 to 10 pages. Look at design customization. Now movie text of hostility includes source code and $30 extra additional will no cost. Okay, after that click on save and continue. Now our price package and overview is ready. Now click on give a description about our project. Simply copy it and edit as you want. I just edit it, and I use this pattern. That's why I already working on .NET MVC or related thing. You choose it as per your choice. What types of offer you perform. Okay, now it's ready. After that, click on FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Why you think this project only that percent client satisfaction that you can also add more. Now add new question. Questions are required for. Now this thing is required for this copy it and also paste here, and after that add. And 7 continue over requirement section, description section, pricing section is ready. Now add 2 or more pictures here. Now I have online editing tool on where I edit my pictures for Fiverr. Fiverr via edit height is 7.8 480 height. So according to that, I already made pictures related to Fiverr. Now I click on create a design, click on custom size 7.430 px. That is all already defined. That's why I'm already working on Fiverr images. Okay, now it's ready. After that, go to my upload sections and have different images. Now this is just for learning purposes. I use this image as a full stack developer. I also got my full stack developer. Okay, now add another page and here I use also full stack developer. Okay, after that I maximize it and adjust it. Okay, now our design is ready. Now click on share button and download. After that, download these two pictures and after finishing download, upload it over Fiverr Git section. Now go to click here and extract here 1, 2 and these two pictures 1 and 2 are ready now. Now click on browse folder and my picture in this folder. After that first I click on open it. Next two or three pictures are best for Fiverr. Okay. Now if you have any video you can also upload. If you have documents you can also upload. Now I click on save and continue and you see almost there. Let's publish your gig. Now our gig is ready. You click on publish gig and you see our gig is done successfully. Now you see how you create your first gig on Fiverr. And in next video I will show you how you get your first order. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, Allah Hafiz.